Beasties! So what happens when it's Easter Sunday and you forgot to buy the butter lamb? You could go without, but what's Easter without a butter lamb, right? So instead, we decided to go on Pinterest and figure out we're gonna make one! So, here we go. So we're gonna start this off. We have very limited supplies, so we got 2 sticks of butter, and we're gonna turn this into a butter lamb. Badass style. Let's go. Ta-da! We have a butter lamb. Maybe a butter cow or a butter dog. I'm not really sure. It's a butter something. And it's got a puffy tail, so we're gonna call it a lamb. Ta-da! There you go, Beasties, a badass butter lamb. Boom, Easter is saved.